So, you finally decided to settle on a Samsung foldable smartphone. That is a good choice, I must say. But which one wins the toss between the Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip? Which of them should you settle for? Well, I guess you would know after watching the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus Galaxy Z Flip 4 Ultimate Review for fans. Let's begin. Design and display. Let's begin with the designs and displays of the two devices. Obviously, you know both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 are foldables, but their designs and display screens can help you decide which is best for you. Whereas the Galaxy Fold 4 is designed to function as a phone and a tablet at the same time, the Galaxy Flip only has the design of a basic phone. The Samsung Galaxy Flip has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus dynamic AMOLED main display screen, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a huge 7.6 inches QXGA Plus dynamic AMOLED display. When folded, the Galaxy Flip has a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with a 6.2-inch HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. The big screen Fold 4 weighs 263 grams, whereas the Galaxy Flip weighs just 187 grams. They both have a 120Hz refresh rate, but if you value a bigger screen over weight, then I suggest you go for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. An impressive feature about both smartphones is their water resistance features. SuperSaf gives more details in a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 unboxing video.
I'd say the most important thing about both of these is that the Fold and the Flip series are still the only foldable smartphones that have an official IPX8 water resistant rating. This was initially introduced with the Flip 3 and the Fold 3, but it means that you can use these out in the rain and you're not going to have to worry about them.
Their water resistance abilities are worth commending, but that's not the only applaudable quality of the smartphones. Their cameras are top class. You will soon know more about that in a minute. Don't go anywhere. Performance. Both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4 have a more powerful processor compared to previous models. They are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which offers a higher CPU and GPU performance at a lower power consumption rate as compared to older models. In terms of connectivity, they both have 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.2 connections. The Fold 4 has a 12GB RAM with 5 12GB, 256GB, and 1TB internal storage options, whereas the Flip 4 has a limited 8GB RAM with 512, 256, and 128GB internal storage options. Working on the Fold 4 is easier than the Flip 4. The Fold 4 gives you the option to easily navigate through up to 3 windows at the same time.
Wow! That's amazing!
So, if for example, you're typing a document on your Galaxy Fold 4 using Google Docs, you can easily enjoy music on another window while checking some updates on social media as well, all at the same time. However, you can't say the same for the Flip 4. Whereas you don't have the luxury to multitask with the number of windows and apps the Fold 4 permits, it optimizes some apps such as Instagram and TikTok for you to watch videos as well as read comments at the same time when in flex mode. You can multitask on both smartphones for longer hours due to their strong battery performances. We will soon look at their batteries. Stay with us. We love Samsung and we know you do too. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 review and all other Samsung related contents. We have all you need when it comes to Samsung. Camera. Both smartphones can take your photography skills to the next level. They both have ultra-wide, wide, and selfie cameras that can bring out every detail of your objects. The Samsung Galaxy Flip 4 has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, and 10-megapixel front camera for all your selfie photos. You don't even have to open your Flip 4 to view pictures. As rightly said by Samsung, you can take pictures without opening your phone. Flip 4 allows you to take selfies with the rear camera while the cover screen gives you real-time preview. The Galaxy Fold 4 on the other hand comes with a more comprehensive set of cameras. It has a 10-megapixel cover camera, 4-megapixel under-display camera, and a triple set of rear cameras made up of 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, and 10-megapixel telephoto camera. Whereas the Galaxy Flip 4 has only up to 10 times digital zoom, the Fold 4 has a massive 30 times space zoom feature, which includes a 3 times optical zoom and a 30 times digital zoom with AI super resolution technology to bring your object close to you no matter how far they are from you.
It's quite cool.
Battery. The batteries of both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4 are strong enough to carry your workloads. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 has a 3,700 mAh battery capacity, with the 2.0 wireless fast charging and reverse wireless charging abilities. It would take you only about 30 minutes to power your battery from 0% to 50% while charging with a 25 watts adapter or higher. The Galaxy Z Fold4 has the same 2.0 fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging features and takes 30 minutes to charge your battery from 0 to 50% when charging with a 25 watts adapter, just like the Flip 4. But this time, the Fold 4 comes with a bigger battery. The Fold 4 has a 4,400 mAh battery capacity that can last about 7 to 8 hours of continuous use. Which one should you buy? Choosing between the two depends on their performances, of course, but you also need to consider their prices. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 price is more expensive than the Flip 4. The 256GB base model starts at $1,799, whereas the 128GB base model of the Flip 4 costs $999. The bigger the storage is, the more the prices increase. So if you have more money to spare, then I suggest you go for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But if you are a little under budget, then the Flip 4 is the one for you. It offers almost the same performance as the Fold 4. Which of them are you going for? Let us know in the comment section. Next, we compare the Samsung Tab S8 Plus to the iPad Pro 2022. Do well to check out why the Samsung Tab S8 Plus is beating the new M2 iPad Pro 2022 on all angles. It's bye for now.